Lisa DeHart here, 3 Minutes with a Maine Guide, and we're continuing our series on sprucing up this camper that I bought. We finished the whole baking soda, simple green, little nylon scrub for the whole canoe. You can see those black lines, they all came out. Just a little patience and a little elbow grease. We're on the final rinse now of what we did. Okay, so I'm gonna finish rinsing. I'm gonna put dry it all off with a nice microfiber cloth. And then I'm gonna zoom in because there's a couple spots that I'm gonna G-flex. It's got a couple dings in it, okay? Okay, so we've got the repair kit right out of my guides box. This is a really good test because this is what I take on trips. I'm just gonna open it, I'm gonna G-flex the spots, and that's gonna tell me two things. It's gonna tell me, you know, if I really do have everything I have in here that I think I need to do that on a canoe trip or not. Every canoe has a story. So it wasn't until I got, you know, right into it, doing the baking soda that I saw all the dings and stuff. So here's the story I think this canoe has to tell. There is a significant ding on the end here where they hit the rock head on, which is an effort. You know, usually you glance off one side or the other, but boy, this one went head on and then dumped the people, I'm sure. And it didn't wrap around a rock like completely, but this boat definitely went through a rapid by itself, and kind of crunched and I think folded right here. You can see this L seam here, but hey, the rest of it completely solid. There's a couple of little dings that are anywhere from the size of my fingernail to like about half the size of a playing card. So not anything real big at all, but it does go, you can see the white, so it is good to seal it all up. I'm only going to seal it on the outside. There's nothing that's come through on the inside. So here are the things out of my repair kit. I got the G-Flex blue, the G-Flex red, little pair of scissors. You know, that's nice to cut the cloth. That's in my new addition after finding out I was remiss in that. I'm gonna squeeze the two out on this pallet and I'm gonna mix it with this little part here. And then I've got just the little used up gift card as a palette to smooth it all out. And this is the cloth. All right, I squeezed out equal amounts of the red and the blue, and I've got it all mixed up here. I'm gonna do this little spot here first. What I like to do is I like to spread it on the canoe first. I like to have it on the canoe, and then I'm gonna put the cloth to the canoe. So I got that. There's my little piece of cloth. I'm gonna put it on there like that, and I'm gonna start, after that, I'm not touching because I don't want it to come up. So I'm gonna start squeezing the G-Flex through the cloth, and I'm just gonna spread it all over, get rid of the little extra strings that come out. I obviously need more. I'm gonna mix up some more. That's no big deal. But what I'm doing now is, since I put it on the canoe first, I'm squeezing it through the pores of the cloth, and then I'm just gonna cover the entire piece of cloth. So she's got some adventure stamps now. All those patches are fixed up. Stay tuned. We're going to keep working on this boat. I am not a zero defect canoeist, so I cannot expect a zero defect canoe.
I'm Lisa DeHart, and you've just spent 3 minutes with a Maine Guide.